In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Docusign account, best method, 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick heads up, closing your Docusign account is permanent. It removes your account and associated data, and you won't be able to recover it later. If you need any agreements, envelopes, or templates, download and save them first. Also, you'll need to be an account administrator to complete this process. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may be on a plan where only an admin can close the account. Start by signing in to Docusign in your web browser. Use your usual login and make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look for the admin option in the navigation. It might appear at the top or in the left sidebar, depending on your view. Click admin to open the admin dashboard. If the admin section isn't there, your user role may not have permission, and you'll need to ask your organization's admin to proceed. Inside the admin area, go to Plan and Billing. This is where you manage your subscription settings and payment details. We're heading here because the option to close the account is part of the billing controls. Take a moment to review your plan if you're unsure about timing. Some users prefer to cancel auto renewal first, but if your goal is to fully remove the account and data, closing the account is the direct route. On the billing page, locate the close account option. It's typically towards the bottom or within the account status section. Click Close Account to bring up the confirmation flow. Docusign will guide you through a few prompts to verify that you understand what closing means. You may be asked for a reason and to acknowledge that your data will be permanently deleted. Follow the prompts to confirm. Read each screen carefully, especially any notes about pending envelopes, billing implications, and data removal. Once you confirm, Docusign will process the closure. You may receive a confirmation notice on screen and an email confirming the change. If you're part of a larger organization or have multiple seats, there may be extra confirmations required by your admin, but the on-screen steps will walk you through anything specific to your account. That's it. You've signed in, opened admin, gone to plan and billing, selected close account, and confirmed the closure. Remember to keep local copies of any documents you need before you finalize. If you only wanted to stop future charges without deleting data, consider plan changes instead of account closure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.